what we call it the รถไฟ market รถไฟ train but this place has turned itself into a playground for an iconic brand tonight such as Chevrolet. Now if you look around, you notice there are some amazing vehicles on display tonight. The new icon as well will be launched in just a few hours, so make sure you stick around and grab many photos as you can. Now although
she don't mind make love every night. She's a girl sitting behind it, rain lost money, clean all the commentary right down the house.
และอีก100 คันในภูมิภาคเอเชียตะวันออกเฉียงใต้เท่านั้นครับ
And what an exclusive way to enjoy this limited edition product.